Hello students, welcome to my channel Perfect English in 30 days class 16. So students, আজি আমি শিকিম daily usable words. বলক ভিডিওটি স্টার্ট কৰি দিও। Come, funny, come. Tray, tray, tray. Funnel, pipa, funnel. Chair, choki, chair. Fork, kata chamuch, fork. Tumbler, dangor gilas, tumbler. Mat, dalisa, mat. Spoon, samus, spoon. Sieve, saloni, sieve. Stick, lathi, stick. Lid, dhakoni, lid. Pillow, garu, pillow. Barber, napit, barber. Hut, kherighor, hut. Temple, mandir, temple. Window, khirki, window. Broom, baroni, broom. Bolster, dighol garu, bolster. Rope, rossi, rope. Dish, kahi, dish. Needle, bezi, needle. Plankin, palki, plankin. Plate, thal, plate. Scale, maponi, scale. Thank you for watching my video.